Thank you so much.
See how kind she can be?
How y'all doing?
Wow, I don't think I've ever heard her ask anybody how they are. How they are doing. I've never heard her say that. That's very kind.
The stalkers, they're messing with the chat already. I've been on here not even a minute and a half, and they're harassing already. The stalkers, y'all gonna burn.
You gonna burn. You're begging, bully, gang stalking everybody else. Ooh, listen, when y'all hear that blowing noise that she's making, she blows her nose, holds one side and blows it out, holds the other side and blows it out. That's why she always hides it. Just gotta get the boogers out too real quick.
Thank you so much. Hi, Camilla. I'm glad y'all were able to come in. Excuse me.
My goodness, she was being nice to somebody else. Must have been people that gave her money before. She's excited to see them.
I'm so sorry about that. And they're messing with the chat already. I just got in here. They waste no time. They are freaking sick. Something's wrong with them.
No, something's wrong with you. Look at her drinking. She got her some food because you could tell that cup is from a restaurant.
Thank you so much.
Well, I guess somebody gave her money to get food.
Yeah, exactly.
But she's not sick. Everybody else is sick. And she lies about people coming in her chat. Because they don't do that. You'll look in her chat, nobody's in there. And she's screaming to high heaven. Don't make no damn sense. Listen to this is her description, guys. The narcissistic gang stalking cult network members criminalize me for trying to survive and make a living. Don't allow yourself to be bewitched or deceived by the lies, false rumors, and smear campaigns about me. Don't be lazy. Investigate my videos for yourself before making a decision to believe whether or not I'm a real or fake targeted individual. The online perp trolls are successful with blocking me from getting any help or support. Okay, we're going to do this real quick. Ideas I have for an Amtrak cross-country train trip. Who's going to pay for that? Who is going to pay for that? She just had a vacation. But now she wants to go across the country. Hold on a sec. Who's sick? Who harasses?
I turned the camera off too soon. Here's a fake perp entering when I come, and another fake perp that's parked that got their brake lights. They don't have the headlight.
What was it she said? That we won't let her live? Or no, it was in her description, I'm sorry. How she says that they won't let her live her normal life, her daily life, whatever it said. Look at what you do to people that are just going along with their daily life, not doing a fucking thing to you. just driving. That's all they're doing. You are the one that gets close to them. They are not getting close to you. Here we go. She wants to go on a round-the-world trip. But here she is begging again.
Доход, которого не достичь обычной работы.
Shut up. Can anyone please help me with funds for breakfast? Oh, shoot. Where were we? And let's see. Some more.
Hello, y'all.
Can anyone help me with funds for breakfast? Maybe that's what they all say. Let's see. I think that they... Can anyone? But we think it's very funny. Oh, what's this? Immediate hotel help needed out of the cold. Immediate. That was 12/29, and she got paid 2 days after that. 2 days after that, she got paid. But anyway, she hasn't been, bothering anybody, she says. Well, we all see. We all see. It's like nonstop. This is all before the ones that I covered, which was right there. She has just been, there you go, gang stalking. Look at, it's all it is. She is showing people's vehicles, talking right around them. We know what she does. And it's ridiculous. You are the bully. These people are doing nothing to you but living their life. And you just don't stop. You don't stop. You say that them people are sick, they need help. Honey, you have no room to talk. No room to talk. Anyway, it is Thursday, 12:40 p.m., January 8th. She always likes to tell the time, so. But everybody, y'all take care of yourselves.